we have good manufacturing training programs in the state. The community colleges, have a year, 2-year program, which is a good, they are good programs.
Yep.
Both schools are good programs. The fundamental problem is they only produce about 600 graduates a year, right? So CBIA for a long time was saying we had 13,000 openings, and they've now kind of revised that down to maybe 8,000 to 10,000 openings. But I mean, you do the math, right? If you're only producing 600 a year, okay, so that doesn't work.
Not getting there.
The difference in this design also was, instead of having somebody go and spend 8 months, 10 months in a $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 training program, they can do this in 5 weeks. And it is not producing a comparable graduate, but it's producing somebody who has a pretty good set of basics. You mentioned they come out with a Six Sigma Lean certification of some kind. They're getting 250 apprenticeship hours. I think they do some OSHA 10, some other, so they're coming with enough that says, as an employer, you can train this person. You can bring this person up to speed for what you want. And so we've actually put some training dollars, some on-the-job training dollars into this as well. And you mentioned Step Up before. That was a state-funded program. And a lot of the way the East program succeeded was they married the 5-week program
with a Step Up behind it.
With the Step Up OJT behind it.